everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a classic Roblox character, Bacon, but I'm turning it into a headless superhero inspired by Superman. So imagine Bacon but with a Superman cap without the head and all the heroic energy. So let's dive into the drawing. Okay, now let's start with Bacon's stomach, like body, his shirt. So we're gonna start up from here. And let's connect this side to that side. And this is the neck. Okay, now let's draw the superhero logo, which is hard, but not too hard. It's easy. So we're gonna make the shape of the logo first. Like that, yeah, like a gem. Pretty simple and pretty easy. So there's like a S thing written on the logo. I don't know how I'm gonna draw this. So it's something like that, and like that. That looks like a superhero logo, right? Okay, now let's start with its hands. Right over here, we are going to make his hands. You guys probably know how Roblox characters' hands are like, so I'll show you how to make them. So the shape is kind of like that, kind of like a flat thing. And now let's draw the, I don't know, make it 3D. And now we are going to draw the hand. There's some details on the hand as well. Like that. I don't know how to make this 3D. Okay, and connect it. That's it. Simple and easy. Okay, let's start with its second hand. So we're gonna make it right. Wait. Okay, we're gonna make it right over here. And then we're gonna come down. And then we're gonna... Okay, and then we're gonna come like that, and also from here. Not looking good, right? And connecting. This one barely has a 3D design. Okay, and the hand. Let's make it. Yeah, like half of a circle, let's say. And the 3D design. And we're going to connect it. Simple. Simple dimple puppet squished. Okay. And make a line to make it look even 3D. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna make this line. This line just for nothing. I don't know. This is also like, I think this one looks more better. Okay, this line is just for more, making it more 3D. Now let's start with the cap. The cap is extremely easy to make. So you make that. That's not the cap. And you have to continue right over here. Bruh, that looks good. And I have to make a superhero logo on the cap. Worst part. I guess let's make it. Let's try. I hope it goes good. Oh my goodness, that looks bad. Okay, I don't know. Okay, you're gonna come like that, or I'm just copying this thing, and then you're gonna do that, and then that, and then that, and what does that even look like? That doesn't even look like an S, bro. Just write an S. It's, I don't know what I made on the cap. This is just looking awkward. Okay, that's the cap, right? Now let's complete this. Let's make his pants. Okay, yeah, let's start. So we're going to make, this is his belt. A nice looking belt. And a circle in the middle. Color in the circle. That looks like his belly. But it's actually not. Now let's make his leg. I hope that was easy for you guys to make, right? And I don't know what to say in this part, but you guys just have to make this. I don't know. I don't want to say whatever that is. Okay. Now let's make his legs. Bro, wear pants, Superman. Wear pants on top of this. Okay, let's make his boots. Let's complete making his boots. So his boots, I like that. Cute, right? And we're gonna complete. Oh my god. That looks the most perfect, the most nastiest boots I've ever seen. Okay, so as you can see, it's headless. That looks like a belt. That is the belt. These are the boots, and that is the finished product. It's our Superman. That looks like Superman, right? Like a headless guy with a Superman suit, and the logo on the cap is just not too good, but the whole drawing is at least so looking good, right? So, and rate my drawing from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.